wabarakatuh. Hi,
my name is Andi Agustin and this is my partner.
My name is Putriana Nurlaila.
And today we are going to do job interview video as part of an segment for our English for professional purposes class.
Happy watching. Good morning. Thank you for taking the time to be here today. Before that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Putriana Nurlaila from the HR at Al-Azhar School. Today, I would like to get to know you better, particularly your background and your motivation to become part of our academy.
Okay. Good morning. I already sent my CV via email, but I also brought my hard copy with me. This is my CV. My name is Andi Agustin, and I'm really happy to be here today to talk about my interest in becoming biology teacher at this school.
Okay, there are several questions I would like to ask you. The first question, why are you interested in teaching at our school?
Okay, thank you for the question. To be honest, I'm really excited to apply here because I'm actually a graduate from this school at 2022. So I already know the school culture pretty well and I have so many good memories here. I feel connected with the environment and I love to give back as a teacher. Plus, the school has a great reputation and amazing faculty really support the learning process. That's one of the reasons why I feel this would be the perfect place for me to start my teaching career.
Okay, that's great to hear. And next question, could you tell me a little about your educational background and teaching experience?
Okay, so after graduating from the school, I continued my studies in biology education at University of Lampung. While studying there, I also joined the Merdeka Student Exchange Program at Indonesia University of Education. On 2024, I spent 1 semester there learning about biology education and pure biology. Then from here, I became a teaching assistant for basic biology. I help in lab session and academic discussion, which really helped me to grow my teaching and communication skill.
Thank you for your sharing. And the last question, can you share your experience with using technology in the classroom?
Okay, throughout college, I've been pretty active in using technology, but for classes or in organization, I often use AI tools to help me summarize material or explore new topic in more depth. In student organization, I was usually a good person for handling technical stuff. During the student exchange program, I was in charge of our social media, managing educational content on Instagram. I also joined a national competition where I made an animated video about media literacy and books. And luckily, I won. Those experiences made me comfortable with using technology correctly, and I really want to bring that into my teaching, so learning feels more fun, relatable, and engaging for students.
Okay, thank you very much for your response. I appreciate your time and interest in joining our school. I will review your application carefully and get back to you regarding the next steps. Before we finish, do you have any question for us?
Okay, I don't have any question for now. Thank you for the opportunity. I really hope I can contribute to the school, not only as a teacher but also as someone who truly cares about student growth and learning.
Okay, thank you and see you next time.
Okay, see you soon.
Okay, thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.